Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man. I'm not making soap today. I've been out of town for a few weeks with vacation and I've missed some donation days. So I have enough soap. There's no need to make more and have it just sitting around. So I thought I would take this opportunity to give some fragrance review results, fragrance testing results. And so far I'm really happy with all of them. So before Christmas, I made a Christmas soap. I have just a few bars left. Haven't given out just yet. I didn't test this one. This is Alpine Frost from Crafter's Choice. I've used this for years and I love it. And this is the soap I made with it. Now, this moves just a little bit, although it's workable. I tried to do a long involved pour with this one and it just wasn't going to let me, so I ended up taking the hanger swirl, made a really nice bar soap. And as far as fragrance retention, it's excellent. Love it. So this is always a favorite of mine from Crafter's Choice. I also tested another one that looks exactly the same. The only difference is I used a different green in this one, but this fragrance is Berry Merry Christmas from Nature's Garden. As far as the smell, I think both of these are exactly the same. So I have two bars that look almost identical. This one with the Crafter's Choice has a lighter green. That's the only difference in appearance. They both, to me, smell exactly the same. Each fragrance is exactly the same. This one I stick blended just a little bit, and right near the end it set up on me, but I hand stirred the frosting instead of stick blending it, and it took forever to set up. So this one probably performs just a little bit better. Its scent retention is also excellent. Both of these have a very, very strong scent. Now on this one, don't let the berry fool you. It's not a berry scent. It's more, like the Alpine Frost is sort of a wintry, woodsy scenes with a lot of pine. This smells the same. So both of those smell exactly the same. Performance issue are similar, and scent retention is excellent in both of them. Another one I tested is Apple Cider Donut from the Midwest Fragrance Company. This design didn't go as planned, but that was my fault. This discolors heavily to a dark brown, so what I intended to do was fill the mold with all of my brown soap and then drop swirl these lighter colors into it. And for some reason, I just was not thinking or paying attention. I stick blended the daylights out of the brown, and I had not mixed up these other two colors yet. So I went ahead and stick blended the daylights out of the brown and then started mixing up the accent colors. Meanwhile, the brown was really setting up. So I went ahead and did the hanger swirl, but didn't get a very good result. That was my fault. I think if I had just given a light stick blending, I would have gotten exactly what I want. More important than anything, it smells fantastic. Scent retention is excellent. And the last one I tested was also from Midwest Fragrance Company. It's called Pumpkin Pecan Waffles. It's another winter. This also darkens, so I just work with it. I just put the dark into the black and into the brown. The white is unscented. And even with the unscented portions, scent retention is excellent. This has a really nice strong scent, and Midwest Fragrance said it accelerates just a little. I had no issues whatsoever. So very happy with that one as well, and highly recommend it. This one, when I first cut it and for about maybe 10 days or so, had a harsh chemical smell, and sometimes fragrances do that, but after about 10 days that chemical smell kind of went away and it started smelling the way it's intended to smell. So all four of these I'm super happy with. I wish I had gotten a better design in that one, but that was my fault. Fragrance wise, I like all four of them, recommend all four of them, and all four have an excellent scent retention. So anyway, that's what I have for this week, and I'll see you again next week for some more soap. Thanks for watching, everybody. Happy New Year, and stay safe, take good care of yourselves, and be blessed.